What's up, squaddies? This is Keith coming to you live from New York City. I'm here to sing the praises about Leansquad. It is the best thing I think I've done in a very long time, and I have loved every minute of it. My first month was insane. It was during the holiday season, so I had a lot of whoopsies to overcome, but I did it, and I did it with the support of Phil and with the support of seeing all the other squaddies just killing it out there. And that has been actually one of the best things about Leansquad, that sense of community, knowing that there's so many other people out there going through it too. My expectations before I started were, this is going to be hard. I like cookies, I like chips, but knowing that the payoff was much greater than that momentary satisfaction was really motivating for me. And so I figured that I should just, give it a shot. Why not? And I'd been seeing Leansquad on my Instagram for months, and seeing that Phil had a very good vegan meal plan, I knew that I needed to just get on board with it. And I'm so happy I did. 1 month later, I am feeling great. I have so much energy. I want to go in the gym now. I want to sweat my ass off. And phase 2 has really lived up to that. I am constantly pushing myself harder than I ever thought that I could in the gym, and also with eating and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And I think that's the most important thing about Leansquad 2, is that it's not just a momentary fix. It is a lifestyle change. It is wanting to make sure that you have the right tools to equip yourself to succeed when it comes to living a healthier lifestyle. My favorite thing about Leansquad is the connection with Phil. I think, again, having seen his Instagram for so long and laughing at all of the beep boop videos and seeing how intense his workouts were, and even through that intensity he was smiling, I just felt great energy from him, and that has not disappointed the whole time. He has been so supportive, he has been very accommodating, and has really individualized my plan for my personal success. And that's been the biggest thing for me, is that I feel like this is Keith's plan only. And it feels so great to know that there's somebody who doesn't even live in the same country as me. Canada is literally right above me, but still, to show you that that is the amount of support that you get from somebody, it is phenomenal. My plan is incredible. My food is so good. I've been sharing recipes with my family, and they're like, damn, this is good food. And it really is, and it's fulfilling. I'm satisfied after every meal, and there's nothing more I can say about it. The food is just so good. If there's anything I would say to anyone who wants to join Leansquad, is to just do it. Now's the time. Phil's the man. That sense of community you get with all the other squaddies, sweating it out and kicking ass, there's no better feeling. Just join now. You won't regret it. Let's get lean.